Do you want to help Miffy feed Hungry Bird?
Yes!
Wonderful! Hungry Bird is always hungry. Hungry Bird wants to eat cookies, says Miffy. Let's see how many cookies we have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, 7 cookies. Now we should call Hungry Bird. Ready? Let's say it together. Oh, Hungry Bird. Oh, Hungry Bird. Hungry Bird just ate 1 cookie. And a second cookie. And a third cookie. Hungry Bird ate 3 cookies, says Miffy. Let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cookies. Look, there's Hungry Bird again. Hungry Bird ate 2 more cookies. Let's count how many are left now. 1, 2. Only 2 cookies left. Hungry Bird just ate 1 more cookie. Let's count how many are left now. 1. Just 1 cookie left. I bet he's saving that last cookie for dessert. Thanks for helping me feed Hungry Bird.